Hi class, I'm in charge of English for Engineering. Today I introduce something about the course. The course title is English for Electrical and Electronics Engineering Technology, and you can say English for Engineering. This course to equip students in the fields of electrical and electronics with the main knowledge of the specialized English. For example, a specialized vocabularies, English written comprehension method, English syntax, and how to write the specialized paper in English. And this is the student outcomes. This is the course learning outcomes of the course. The course have three course learning outcomes. And the first, after the class, the student have the ability to write the report in English. Student have ability to read and comprehend the engineering material in English. And finally, student have ability to work in group. And the content of the course, it separates into 11 units. Unit 1, conductors, insulator, and semiconductor. Unit 2, circuit elements. Unit 3, DC motor. Unit 4, electrical ignition. Unit 5, moving coil. Unit 6, process control systems. Unit 7, semiconductor. Unit 8, cathode ray tube. Unit 9, alarm system. Unit 10, music center. And Unit 11, how to write a paper in English. And today we begin the Unit 1, begin the chapter 1 with conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. Part 1, reading and comprehension. Now listen to me. If we connect a battery across a body, there is a movement of free electrons towards a positive end. This movement of electrons is an electric current. All material can be classified into 3 groups according to how readily they permit an electric current to flow. These are conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. In the first categories are substances, which provides an easy path for an electric current. All metals are conductors. However, some metals do not conduct well. Manganese, for example, is a poor conductor. Copper is a good conductor. Therefore, it's widely used for cables. A non-metal which conducts well is carbon. Salt water is an example of a liquid conductor. A material which does not easily release electrons is called an insulator. Rubber, nylon, porcelain, and air are all insulators. There are no perfect insulators. All insulators will allow some flows of electrons. However, this can usually be ignored because the flow they permit is so small. Semiconductors are midway between conductors and insulators. Under certain conditions that allows a current to flow easily, but under others they behave as insulators. Germanium and silicon are semiconductors. They are known as thermistors. The resistance of thermistors falls rapidly as their temperature rises. They are therefore used in temperature sensing devices. Part 2. Vocabularies. Substance. Substance. Material with particular physical characteristics. Conductor. Conductor. Conductors, a substance that allows heat or electricity to go through it. Insulator. Insulator. Insulator, a substance that does not conduct electricity. Semiconductor. Semiconductor. Semiconductor, a substance such as silicon that allows some electricity to flow through it, used in making electronic devices. Battery. Battery. Batteries is a device that produces electricity to provide power for radios, cars, etc. Cable. Cable. Cable is a set of wires covered by plates that carries electricity, phone signals, etc. Liquid. Liquid. Liquid, a substance such as water that is not solid or a gas and that can be poured easily. Current. Current. Current, a movement of water, air, or electricity in a particular direction. Thermistor. Thermistor. Thermistor is a type of resistor in which resistance varies with temperature. Intermediate. Intermediate. Intermediate is being between two other related things, levels, or points. Substation. Substation. Substation is a place that allows electricity to go from one part of the electricity production system to another. Distribution. Distribution. Distribution is the process of giving things out to several people or spreading or supplying something. Illumination. Illumination. Illumination is the light. Precision. Precision. Precision is the qualities of being exact. Assemble. Assemble. Assemble, to make something by joining separate parts. Resistance. Resistance. Resistance, the degree to which a substance prevents the flow of an electric current through it. Armored. Armored. Armored, covered with a special material that protects against weapons. Electromagnet. Electromagnet. Electromagnet is a device made from a piece of iron that becomes magnetic when a changing current is passed through the wire that goes around it. Capacitance. Capacitance. Capacitance is the ability of an object or material to store electricity. Glow. Glow. Glow, to produce a continuous light and sometimes heat.